This video shows you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube using an Android phone or iPhone lock, like the same methods as work. First of all, open the YouTube applications and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Next, tap your profile picture or the U icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. From the settings menu, select General. Scroll down until you find Restricted Mode. If the feature is enabled, you'll see the toggle switch turned on. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. When the toggle becomes gray or moves to the off position, Restricted Mode is disabled. Restricted Mode is an optional setting that helps filter out potentially mature content on YouTube. Turning it off allows you to view videos that may have been hidden while the filter was active. If you are unable to disable restricted mode, check whether your device is using parental controls, a supervised account, school or workplace network restrictions, or a managed Google account, as these can prevent changes to the setting. Once you've completed these steps, return to YouTube and refresh the app if necessary. You should now have full access to content that was previously restricted. And that's it, you've successfully turned off restricted mode on YouTube.